guys, what's going on, man? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be meeting up with a friend of mine. Well, he's gonna be meeting up with me. I'm at the car wash right now, so what we gonna be doing is so he has a straight pipe Ford Mustang GT. I believe it's a 2001 or so, or 99, but you guys gonna see. And we gonna be doing like a we got the loudest exhaust. Pretty much, I'm pretty sure a lot of people gonna say it's the straight pipe, but like for my truck, since I took my since I cut my mufflers off, and also I had some flowmasters on there. I believe it's a Super 10, the loudest. So since I cut that off, like my truck is like insanely loud. Like, and I was planning on doing a straight pipe also soon, but like to the fact that now it's like so loud, so we gonna do like a startup, and then after that we're gonna do rev and stuff like that. And you guys gonna, you know, see which one is louder. For me, honestly, I think his might be a little bit loud, but it's kind of like the same thing. Like I was planning on doing like a whole straight pipe on my truck, but to the fact that it's like super loud now, I don't know. It might not, maybe so. I don't know. We gonna see though. Stay tuned. You guys gonna see. You ready, bro?
Huh?
I say you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, bro. So I'm about to do mine now. So that's his. What year is your car, bro?
94.
94?
Yeah, it's the 5 liter.
Yeah? Yeah, that shit nice, though. Nice and clean, too.
I've never heard my car from the back. You want to rev it for me?
Yeah. Hold on. Yo, he just asked me, hold the camera, yo. He just asked me to rev his car because you want to hear it from the back.
I never heard it from the back.
That's the same shit. I do the same shit, too, bro. I got you.
Yeah. That's loud as fuck. I didn't think it was that loud.
That shit is loud. Yo, you see what I'm talking about, bro?
Yeah.
I'm about to start my car, bro.
It's pretty loud too.
Yeah, you think it's that loud?
If you want it louder, you can definitely make it louder.
Yeah, right now.
Nice though.
So what I did a few days ago, well, a few weeks ago, yo, I cut out my muffler, but I got flowmasters on there. So I cut out the muffler. They sit right here. Cut those out. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to do a whole straight pipe. Make that shit even louder, yo.
This shit's gonna be loud as fuck.
Loud as shit. I thought it was gonna be, because when I first took them off, yo, it was pretty loud. I thought it was gonna be a little bit closer, but come to find out, like I could see the difference, yo. You see the difference too, yo?
Yeah.
This guy like more so like a deeper, aggressive sound.
Yeah.
And that's not really that, it's not really that bad, but it is pretty loud.
What kind of flowmasters do you have on it?
I got the Super 10s.
Oh, you got the smallest ones.
Yeah.
I had those on my last Mustang.
They said those loudest and shit like that. But I just put them on. Just in case, yeah, but after when I seen like the difference, you could see the difference though. Like that shit is gonna be loud, like stupid loud.
What is that, 5.7, 5.7?
Yeah, it's a 5.7 Hemi.
Yeah. That shit's gonna be loud.
Loud as shit, yo. Like what?
Sound nice too.
Hell yeah. Instagram, bro. You wanna let them know your Instagram, your name?
Racan.Jonah. RACAN.JONAH.
Clean. New Edge, man, that shit clean as hell. Make me miss my Mustang, man. But there you go. That's the comparison, man. It's a huge difference, though, man.
Yeah.
I really ain't expected to be like that, but that's about it, guys. Yeah, you should.
I kind of like you know the ones right before the new edges.
Oh yeah, I think I know what you're talking.
Like,
You talking about the ones that's on the Cobra and stuff like that?
Yeah, they're up and down.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
It's right before the new edges. They look so nice.
Yeah.
I found some symmetrical ones, so the turn signals are like the new Mustangs.
Yeah.
How it's like 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, bro, you should keep your thing, man. Don't be like me, man. See, I sold my shit to get this, but it's gonna be worth it. Yeah. Hell yeah, yo. Yeah, you stall out. Yo.
That was my second time ever doing it.
It's all good though, bro. I stalled too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not a pro at stick shift, yo. That's gonna be it, man. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about it.